Frequently asked questions. How is YouTube advertising compared to advertising on other platforms? The difference between YouTube and other advertising platforms is that YouTube is great to build brand awareness, product consideration, and to achieve other long-term marketing objectives. This is because YouTube users are not actively looking for products. They're looking for entertainment and education. On YouTube, it is a better strategy to create an explainer video about a product than a direct sales video to pitch the product. How do you know whether your customers are on YouTube? The easiest way to find out whether your customers are on YouTube is by doing a quick keyword research. You just have to use the keywords and possible search terms used by people that could be interested in your product or service to find YouTube videos related to your offers. If you find lots of videos related to your offers, you have to check how many views those videos have, because those are the type of videos where you'll show your YouTube ads. If there's lots of people watching those videos, then you will find a lot of customers on YouTube. Are YouTube ads considered expensive? YouTube ads is considered one of the most cost-effective advertising platforms on the internet because even $1 can get you a couple qualified views out of 1,000 impressions, and you'll save even more money if you target your audience well. What's the fastest way to get your ROI on YouTube ads? The fastest way to get your ad spend back is by promoting a service with an entertaining brand awareness campaign. If you're selling a service, creating an entertaining video to advertise it will keep it top of mind. You can then expand that campaign with a video discovery campaign, which will keep your videos visible in the recommended video feed. What factors outside of YouTube can affect ad performance? The main factor that will negatively affect YouTube ad performance outside of the video ad is the destination. If your ad is doing its job of sending people to the URL, but you're not achieving your conversion goals, then you have to fix conversion elements in the destination, because it means that users do not find your website, landing page, or opt-in page attractive. What metrics should you pay the most attention to if you want to measure performance? There are two key metrics that you have to pay close attention to: clicks and video viewership. The clicks metric can tell you how many of the targets that your ad reached clicked through your URL. The video viewership metric will tell you what percentage of your video ad people are watching and see whether your targets are engaged or are losing interest. What's the best indicator that a user will engage with your brand after watching one of your ads? The best indicator of interest is watch percentage. Users who watch your video ads to completion are 23 times more likely to engage and convert down the line. Even users who don't watch to completion are 10 times more likely to engage than users who skip. For how long is it recommended to run a single YouTube ads campaign? You can run a single video ad campaign for a full year, and a little more if your audience is broad enough. You will know when to stop running your YouTube ads campaigns once viewership drops to 25% or less. How can you expand the reach of your YouTube ads campaigns? The easiest way to expand your YouTube ads campaigns is by showing your video ads on other locations, and by showing it to audiences that are similar to your target audience. This won't necessarily make you more money, but it can immensely help you to expand your brand. What should you do if a YouTube ad doesn't work? Sometimes a YouTube ad simply needs to be fixed and optimized if it doesn't work. If you run a single variation of your ad, it will take you some time to find out what's the best version of your ad. But if you create and test 2 or more variations of the same ad, each one with a different display URL, a different headline, a different description, and a different call to action, then it is going to be easier to create the ultimate version of your ad.